Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. It's your sister Zainab here if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make pizza at home. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video. In this jug, I add 1 cup of warm water, half cup of warm milk. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some sugar. It's 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm gonna give that a stir, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add yeast. And the yeast is 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna mix it. And now I'm gonna just cover and set that aside. In a bowl, I'm going to add 4 cups of plain flour. I'm gonna add some salt, a half teaspoon. Mix it and create a space on the center of the flour to add the wet ingredients. Now we're gonna add 1 egg. Gonna go ahead and add yeast mixture. So this is how your yeast must look like after sitting for some times. Must have these bubbles. So if it doesn't have these bubbles, that's mean your yeast is not active and it's not gonna work for your dough to rise. Yeah, so now we're going to gonna mix it and knead the dough. We need a soft dough. If you think your dough is it's soft, you have to add some flour just to make it a nice, not too sticky dough, just a nice a soft dough. So after mixing my dough, you guys saw I add some oil, and yeah, I'm going to transfer the dough on the working surface. So I sprinkle some dry flour. I'm gonna smooth it out the dough, and yeah. So this is how our dough must look like. It's not too sticky, it's not hard, it's nice and soft and smooth. So now I'm going to just add some oil in the bowl and coat the dough both sides. Then I'm going to cover and let it rise. It will take about 1 to 1.5 hours to rise. As we're waiting for the dough, we're gonna go ahead and prepare the chicken, which we're gonna use in our pizza. So I add some oil in the pot. I'm gonna add some onion, fry that for a few minutes, can be 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my ginger and garlic paste, a tablespoon. I'm gonna fry that for 1 to 2 minutes again, and I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken. Make sure you cut small pieces, and it was a little bit bigger. You have to cut smaller than this. Yeah, it's gonna look nice in our pizza. So yeah, I add some spices there. I add coriander powder, add oh my god, I even forget. Okay, I add some coriander powder, a half teaspoon. I add the chili flakes, I add salt, I add a bit of garam masala and black pepper. Yeah, that's what I add. Yeah, you can use any spice which you have, which you use for your chicken. It really doesn't matter. Yeah, so I cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes, and then I open my pot and dry out the excess water which was in there. And yeah, our chicken is done. It doesn't take long, chicken. So yeah, it's done. It just took me about 15 to 20 minutes. So I have prepared all the vegetables which we need in our pizza. There's red, green, and yellow pepper, some olives, and some pineapple. Yeah, and then in in here we have mozzarella cheese, which I grated also. Yeah, so I have some sauces there, and the chicken which we prepared just now. And yeah, I'm gonna just set that aside, and then we're gonna get back to our dough. Okay, guys, let me tell you secret. If you want your dough to be fast, as you can see, mine have double up the size. Guess how long it takes? About 1 hour, because I place it in the oven. If you want your dough to be fast, just put where it's warm, in a warm places, like in the microwave. You can place it in the oven. It's gonna be very fast, it's gonna be quick. So yeah, I placed it in the oven and took about only 1 hour to just develop the size like the way you guys saw it. So I punched to remove all the excess air which it was in the dough. Now I'm gonna just divide it in 5 pieces, depend how big a pizza you want to make. So I want normal, I'm going to make normal balls like this. Now I'm going to put all the balls, not all, I'm going to leave it one. I'm going to put the rest of the balls in the plate, and I'm going to cover with the dish towel and set that aside. Now I'm going to flatten the dough. Make sure you don't make it too thin, because it's a pizza. We need a little bit thick base. Okay, now we're going to cook the pizza base only one side, not both side, only one side. Our pizza base is ready, so this is how it should look like. Okay guys, so everything is ready, vegetables ready, chicken is ready, our pizza base is ready. So now let's make pizza. Let's put everything together. So I add some sauces. So the sauce which I'm using is a tomato sauce, and I mix with hot sauce. Yeah, this is a homemade hot sauce. So the hot sauce which I'm talking about is a peri-peri sauce, guys. It's a peri-peri sauce. I'm gonna put the link down below for those didn't watch that video. If you guys want to see how to make peri-peri sauce, I'm gonna put the link down below. Check it out, watch, and if you want to try at home, it's very easy. Yeah guys, so let's just continue making our pizza. As you can see, I put sauce, I put a little bit of mozzarella cheese, and then I put chicken, I put my peppers, I put pineapples. Yeah guys, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put again the mozzarella cheese, and we're going to bake our pizza. So there is our pizza in the oven. I put the oven on grill. So yeah, it's gonna take about 10 minutes or maybe less than that. You have to keep checking, otherwise your pizza is gonna burn. So I did not close the oven. I just keep watching on my pizza until it's done. So here we are, our pizza is done, looking beautiful, and it was so tasty guys. It was really 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 tasty. I loved the way it came out. It came out so well guys, and it's not difficult. It's very easy to make pizza. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, share as well. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.